Hello everyone. Today I'm going to clean our washing machine. This is how I clean our washing machine. A bicarb soda, a teaspoon of this one, the bicarb, and a cup of vinegar, a cleaning vinegar. So I get this cleaning vinegar at the supermarket. So a cup of vinegar, and then a teaspoon of the bicarb. Right, I get a tiny spoon in here. See that? It's like a teaspoon. So you put it in here. So it's bubbling. Oops, oh no. Yes, because it has vinegar on it. So pour it in the washing machine like this. And then put hot water. And that's it. Hope you like it.